everybody, I'm back. I'm trying to get in the shop here, and I'm going to be turning a Big Ben cigar pen kit. It's gold and gunmetal, and here's the tubes. They already come scuffed up, so we don't have to do that. And if you don't mind the mess, I have it. There's my drill press. I have it lined up in the center, and we're going to drill these two holes out and CA glue the tubes in. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, both blanks have been drilled. They're not quite center, but they will do. I don't have a center finder, I need one, but I always check and double check to make sure the blank will fit. And I use, I'm just going to use up this MaxiCure. It's just what I have laying around. I have switched a little bit to, I'm switching over to Starbond. I find that it's a little bit nicer to work with. I'm trying to do this one-handed while holding the phone. So when I do this, I like to move it in and out. I'll just take an extra piece, slide that down in there, just like that. And we will trim the ends. I just let it sit there, let it dry. I'm going to go ahead and put the other one in and get the chuck ready for the ends. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, let's go ahead and get this turned. Well, it's not going to turn. Alright, so we have this the reamer here, and I went ahead and put the new bit on. You can take this on and off to change the thickness of your drill bit. So you just click it on. Just like that. And we're looking for the brass. Getting there. There we go. We hit it. Just like that. I'm going to do the other side and get it on the lathe. Stay tuned. Everybody, we got it set on the lathe. We're going to get this turning. I'm using the carbide. that metal on metal that you hear is my gouge hitting the bearing. With this carbide tip, it really does a number on the bearings. So I have to get close, you know. There you go. There's one pin that's turned. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sand this down. Set that mask down. I'm going to sand this down. I'm going to start at 120 just to get it going, and then we're going to go from 150 to 600, and then we're going to put a CA glue finish on it. But I'm going to go ahead and get it sanded. I mean, everybody knows how to sand. While it's turning, I sand this way. I'll just show you real quick. I'll do that. I turn my lathe off. And I go this way, but I will be turning it while I'm doing this. But like I said, I have one hand. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'll bring you back when it's sanded. Stay tuned. Okay, so I got to 320. Once I get to 320, I like to give it a good wipe down. And then I come over here. I grab this. And this is just denatured alcohol. And we're going to put this on this rag. And we're going to raise the grain. And I haven't mentioned, but this is Purple Heart. So we're going to raise the grain on this. Just like so. And then we're going to hit it with 320, 400 and 600. I'll bring you back. Alright everybody, there we go. That is all sanded. Looks pretty good. So we're going to throw some CA on it. So I'm going to get my chair. I'm going to sit down, put my phone up over here like I did last time, and we're going to film the process. Stay tuned. Hey everybody. So we're going to start out with some, if I can get it in the camera, some Starbond medium. Get us right here. Let's go. and I hit it with the applicator, the accelerator. I give that a few seconds. Give it a wipe. Start from this side. Hit it again. I don't use the little plastic bits that go in between that you can use when you're doing CA glue finishes. The reason I don't use those, I have a lot of problems with when you take it off. It leaves a bunch of CA glue around it, and then you have the issue with cleaning it off, and then you'll chip it on the ends. So I found doing it this way and then taking a razor knife and scoring it comes off much easier, and you don't have the problems that you have with the others. So I'm going to do 4 coats of medium and then 1 coat of extra thick. This is new. I usually do 3 coats of thin, 3 coats of medium, but I'm going to do 4 and then 1. Just trying something new. And this is my first time actually using Starbond. Right off the top, I really like the way it was packaged. I like the little nibs it has on it, and the little, it's gonna come under this little guy here to cover it up, you know, so you don't have a lot of issues with it. I like that. A lot better than the other stuff I was using. And this is the other stuff I use. And it's just a mess, but it works. Actually, I'm going to throw 1 more coat of extra thick on. No, I'm not. No. I can see it already bubbling up here, so I'm going to have a lot of sanding to do on this one. So there's that. Let's see here. There's that. You can see here. And I'm going to wet sand this. And we'll get on that in just a second. Let me go grab it while the camera's still rolling. So we're going to micro mesh this down. I'll put that there to keep my blade from getting wet. I'll start at 1500 and go down. So this is what takes the time to me. This here. So I'm not going to make y'all watch all this. I'm sure you've seen it 100 times if you've seen it once. But I'm going to go ahead and get this sanded down, and I'll bring you back when the product is getting close to being finished. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, after wet sanding, there we go. It's very pretty. What do you say we get this on a kit? I'm going to go ahead and press this on the kit. I'll show you. Let's go over here. This is my pen press. nothing fancy. I always keep the instructions over here. So I'll go ahead and get this pressed, and I'll show you all done. Be right back. Alright everybody, there's the finished product. It's very pretty. Just twist pin. Very nice. Hope you all enjoyed the little video. Please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and God bless.